Hey guys, Billy here. New day, new project. Got all this mess to clean up. As you see, big old tree fell. It's not even on the property that we do, but we're going to get it cleaned up anyway. You guys join along, and we'll get it all done. When I say we, I mean me and you. You can run a chainsaw blade through wood all day long. You can only run it through dirt one time. You guys sharpen your own chainsaw blades? If you'd like me to do a video on how to do that, let me know. This takes a little time. One thing I will say is keep track of how many times you're swiping each tooth to try to keep your teeth the same length. People sharpen their own chainsaws, blades, and the blades get out of whack because they're taking too much off of one, and they wonder why the saw's not cutting anymore. Well, that could be a reason. And there is a little mark on most chainsaw blades. Find your little mark, start there. Start at your little mark on the blade. That way you don't lose track of what you're doing. I suggest you wear some gloves too. I mean, you're pretty much sharpening it like a razor blade, and you have to move it with your hand, so you do the math. But you do what you want to do. I'm not here to tell you how to live your life. I'm just trying to help. Went to the Jack's Wax Street Madness event over the weekend. It was really cool. You guys should check out the video. It was actually going to be a two-part video. It was so long. Alright guys, let me get this finished up and I'll get back with you. doing it don't mean you should do it. I've been doing this for 25 years. If you're not comfortable with the chainsaw, don't try it. Cut it on the ground and shove it in there. As just me being me, I prefer to do it like this. Well, yeah, it's working good. Guys, we got everything cleaned up. Got the truck completely full. Everything looking good. Guys, thank you for sticking around. For everybody that's new to the channel, I appreciate you subscribing. For you guys that's been around for a while, you know I appreciate. Please continue to comment, like, and subscribe. Share with your friends. I hope you liked the video. We'll see you on the next one. Guys, have a great evening.